Do you feel like your tummy muscles are weak? Maybe your balance is off, not as good as it used to be. Well, in this video, we're going to have a look at how to strengthen the muscles around your torso, commonly known as your core muscles. And as someone in their late 50s, I know how important these muscles are to support our pelvis, our back, and keep us stable on our feet. Some of the tips I'm going to give you, you're probably not going to find anywhere else. So stay tuned. I'm going to give you 3 exercises to stay strong here. If you're looking for a video online to show you how to engage your core, you'll often find people telling you to bring your belly button in. Yet when I ask my clients to do that, engage by bringing your belly button in, they mainly do this. They lift up their rib cage and their torso, and they can't sustain that for very long. So instead, what I would ask you to do is to breathe into the area between your shoulder blades. Feel the back expand, and then as you breathe out, just soften your rib cage down and then gently bring your belly button in. It's about a 3 out of 10. We're not doing it like this, so you can barely breathe. It's nice and relaxed. You need to be able to breathe at the same time as gently pulling them in. You should then feel these muscles around here. So that's how we identify the muscles. That's how we get them to work effectively. So our first exercise is a wall plank. Here's the setup. Standing a little way in front of the wall, elbows are going to be bent at 90 degrees. You're going to place them on the wall just below your shoulders. Feet hip width apart. Have a look at the back. Is it arching? Is it tucking? We want to be somewhere in the middle, not overarching or over tucking. So find that neutral position. Then we're going to do that breath into the back of the shoulder blades. And then as you breathe out, soften the ribs down. See if you can find the belly button, get it to pull in gently. So it's a 3 out of 10. You should then feel it in your lower abs and just hold that position. Hold that position. If it's a little bit too easy, you could take a step back, but make sure you've still got that neutral position of the back and you can still feel your lower abdominals firing up. Nice and relaxed in the shoulders, and hold it for up to 10 seconds. So we've found these muscles, we've got them working. Let's make it a little bit more challenging. Come back into your plank, elbows same position, neutral pelvis, and this time we're going to breathe in, and as you breathe out, you're going to rotate through the upper back. The lower back is staying still, you're just rotating the upper spine from the rib cage up. So we get a little bit more of a challenge to the abdominals. We also work the obliques at the side of the torso. So no discomfort into the spine. You should just feel a strong feeling around here that these muscles are working. And you could do 6 to 10 of those. If you're starting out, you might only be able to do a couple, that's fine, and just build up over time. Our last exercise is a side plank, but please bear in mind this might not be suitable for everybody. Set up like so. Elbow directly under shoulder. We don't want the elbow flaring out. Directly under the shoulder, and think about the shoulder blade drawing across the back, which will give you a little bit more stability at the shoulder joint. So knees are in line with the rest of the body with the feet behind us. We're going to breathe into the middle back, and as we breathe out, just soften the rib cage down. So the rib cage isn't flaring forward, which is going to overarch the lower back, and you're not going to be able to find these lower tummy muscles as readily. So nice relaxed rib cage sitting onto the torso. See if you can feel the muscles here lower down, as well as the hip muscles, as we lift up into a plank. So we're just going to breathe and hold it there. 5 seconds, 10 seconds, see how long you can do comfortably, but feeling it in the right place. So here and here. Hope you found those exercises useful. Feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell. And I do hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.